as well. So let's start from the design. So I think you just heard about like how you capture the reality. I'll just give you example. I want to capture the CM square becomes digital models that I can rotate, cut section, or do analysis in my computer. I think you will ask the BIM or CAD team to help you to create each of the buildings. But nowadays, the latest technology from drone or remote sensing, even using like the vehicle with the laser scannings, we can also doing we call mobile mapping system can also capture the reality, and it is can make the existing environment become digital. More digitalized, and then you can touch it, you can rotate it in your desktop or even in the web browser. So that's why in planning, we always leverage the current technology like by using the drone. So the drone is easy. I think some of you may already have it as well. So okay, easy to capture the reality models, and then you can view it here. Compare, you just see a CAD files, a 2D CAD file, you can get more information there as well. You can start your planning, your design based on these 3D reality models. So just give you a little bit more idea. So have a look about here. It is another example for the city scale. So in the city scales, you can have a look. It is a city looks near to the Bangkok is in the Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So again, of course, you can using the drone. Maybe you need to use the fixed wing flight or even using a helicopter to take a photogrammetry so that you can get very large scales or city scales of the project. And then, of course, you can even go inside to each of the indoor by using the laser scanning or some of the photogrammetry technology as well. So you can see very details about the models here. So you can capture the reality as a twin. So of course, we still have some street levels. So in Bentley or even in the current technology, we also can capture by even we call mobile mapping system. We have the tools that can help you to manage the laser scanning, to recognize the object easily. So this is also another tool we call Orbit. Okay, so we can help you to manage all the point count and recognize the data easily. It's a street levels. So combine the reality together from photogrammetry, laser scannings, and even later, like we can combine the BIM models together. We can put in the digital twins. This currently can help you to do the planning. So in the left hand side, you see with the laser scanning in the street level, right hand side only this using a helicopter. Of course, this technology can help, and in also like for the equipment point of view, you can even just by using your mobile device take a photos from your using your mobile phones or mobile device, and then becomes a photos here. So later in the inspection point of view, this is also very possible to help you and even to detect the defects later. Okay, it is also help you for the planning in the very good stage. So in planning, once we have everything's done, I just give you some example here. It is example from the Helsinki in cities. So again, they leverage all the reality mesh. So they do the planning. Have a look about their planning here. So they start to build a model. They can see the new models, what is coming from using just a digital twins capability. They just start from using a web browser. So they can see the new region, how it look like and integrate and see the BIM, how to the new design, how it look like with the current existing situation or existing landscape here. Okay, so they can rotate, they can do the analysis, solar analysis, flooding analysis, and even they can just access all the data from using a simple mobile device. So one of the key features in digital twins is not only easily to integrate every information, but also easy to access by different stakeholder. not only the project manager or civil engineer, but even you are just a citizen or general public, you can easily access